Okay, so we got a 2017 Lexus ES350 remote key fob here. On the cluster, we're getting the message that it has a low battery in the remote. So I'm gonna show you how to open this to replace your battery. And I'll tell you what size the battery is. So right here on the left side on the top, you have a button here. It says push. We're gonna push it with our thumb, and it unlocks the emergency key out of it. Okay, so this key will let you into the door. And once we have it out, if we look inside of here, the emergency key came out of this slot right here on the right, and there's another slot right here in the middle. We're going to use that slot. We're going to put a flathead screwdriver or something kind of equivalent to a flathead screwdriver in the slot, and it won't go very far in. It's just the tip that will actually go in. Let's give it a twist, and that cracks the remote open so you don't damage the remote at all. You can just pop it up. You want to hold the remote like this so everything doesn't fall out of the key fob. All this can actually come out and fall out, including the buttons. So we're gonna hold it like this. At the bottom, we're just gonna pry the battery up and pry it right out. All right. So the battery size is a CR2032 battery with the positive sign facing out towards us. We put it in the remote in the top first, under these little contacts right here, and then we lock it in. Okay. So if you need a battery and you haven't bought one yet, you can get them on Amazon for about $2, and I'll have a link down in the description box which will take you to Amazon where you can get one and get the correct size. So you can check that out. Now we get the cover and we put it on the top side first like that and work our way down. It just locks, and we know we have it all back together correctly when the emergency key goes back in and it locks in place, and you're all done.